Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can install multiple plugins in your WordPress website. So for example, you can create a list of your favorite plugins, then you can easily install those plugins in multiple websites. Now let's go on wordpress.org /plugins. After that, here you can create a free account. Here you can add username. Let me add enable website design 1. And after that, the next step is I can add here email. Then let me accept terms and conditions, then create account. After that, the next step is now we need to confirm email. Then click here. After that, now here we can fill up this detail. Let me add some password. Here I can add website link. Just you can add any of the website. After that, this is some detail that we can fill out. Then scroll down, create account. Now the next step is we need to search for the plugins. Let me reload this page. And here I can search for some plugins. For example, the first plugin is blank slate. You can search for any plugin that you want. Then simply open. And after that, scroll down. Here you can see heart icon. Click here. Now this plugin is added in the favorite list. You can also pick up some other plugins. For example, I want to add here Lightspeed Cache. Scroll down. Same for this. Now here you can see my favorites. Click here. So now we have added 2 plugins in our favorite list. Now let's see how it works. Let me log in into my demo website. Let me add password here. After that, the next step is go in the plugin sections. Scroll down. Here you can see these are the plugins that are installed. Let me deactivate this one, so that I added this plugin in my favorite list. Now plugin is deactivated. Let me delete this plugin. Now let's go back and add new plugin. Scroll down. And here you can see featured, popular, recommended, favorites. Click here. Now scroll down. And here you can just add username. Let me add enable website design 1. Then get favorites. scroll down. So guys, here you can see we have added 2 plugins in our favorite list. Now simply we can install these plugins.